So in this quick video, I'm about to show you how you can install ad blocker on your Samsung internet. So let's get started. So first, open up the Samsung internet browser itself, and this is what it looks like. So simply tap on this three burger icon or three dot icon, and then simply tap on this add-ons. And here you will need to tap on ad blockers. And Samsung itself is now suggesting you the ad block for Samsung internet. So just simply download this. There are more ad blocker as well. As you guys can see, I'm installing this one since this is the best one and it's working for me perfectly fine. And yeah, you can also try on the other extensions like AdGuard because these are also good. But yeah, this one is working fine for me, so I'm installing this one right now. So after installing this, it will automatically do all the jobs that it need to be done by adblock itself. And you can also open this adblocker extension just by going to home page, and you can see here is the adblocker for Samsung. So you can go there, and it is already using for Samsung internet, as you guys can see that, and I have turned this on. So now the magic will be happen. You won't see any kind of ads after you install this one. I don't mean it will block all the ads, but yeah, as much ads it can block all the ads. So yeah, this is how you should install the ad blocker on your Samsung internet. And hope you find this video useful. See you guys in the next video. Peace.